Hey, Tyler, your mom wants you upstairs. Your cousins are about to leave.
All right. Hi, Cole.
Hey, man. Ugh. Dude, I'm tired.
Yep.
Did you did you see my mom had this giant cardboard cut out of my face? She waved it around the whole time.
Yeah, that was hard to miss.
She she wanted to make one for you too, but man, can you believe we're done now? 4 years of high school. Whoosh.
Yeah, it's crazy.
Remember when we went to that bowling arcade place for freshman orientation?
Yeah. You were trying to flirt with Stella the whole time.
Yeah, I was. What what have you been up to since though? It's been a second.
I liked spending time in the library.
Oh, okay. Lots of reading or what?
No. I got really into 3D printing.
Oh, cool. What did you make?
I designed and printed a bunch of these little 3D miniatures. I even sold some of them online.
Oh, interesting.
I even made a 3D model myself using this camera scanner. Didn't sell that though.
That's that's interesting. What about like clubs or sports?
You know I don't do sports.
Okay, well, what about that film we made? Remember the Lego stop motion? Are you still making films?
No, not really.
Oh man, you love making it though. Do you still have a copy of it?
No, I lost it when we gave away the old desktop.
Okay, I just haven't really seen you care about something that much since.
You've barely seen me since.
You're kidding, right? Every time I invited you to go out or join Model UN, you always said no.
I was busy.
Doing what? Taking pictures of yourself with your 3D camera? At least I got out of my shell and did things.
You didn't even like half the sports and clubs that you forced yourself to do.
I like the people.
No, you just like being liked. And what about Stella? Huh?
What does she have to do with any of this?
I bet she loves dating you. All league in track, model UN president. Popular. Remember when you got with her our freshman year? You said you didn't even like her that much. Just wanted to be in a relationship.
Said that a long time ago.
Yeah. And then you were always busy. And it became, come hang with me and Stella.
Look, I know you didn't like her that much, but
Still don't.
you could have given her a chance. I mean, you hardly gave high school a chance.
Cole! You're acting as if I missed out on everything. I wasn't shutting myself out. When I was in the library, I was there because I actually wanted to be. Unlike you, I don't need everyone to like me. I don't know why my mom invited you to this grad party anyway.
I wanted to see you, Tyler. I just missed what we had. Don't you?
Honestly, not really.
Come on. We did everything together. You remember Legoland?
Yeah. You wouldn't stop bumping into me in the Lego driving school because I wouldn't go fast enough.
But didn't we have a blast in the Lego store? We even bought our ship there.
And you made me rebuild it 5 times because it wasn't alien proof. You weren't actually helping me, you know? You've been bossing me around ever since we were kids. And even now, you won't stop going on about Model UN and homecoming, and I'm sick of it. I'm done. I don't want to do this anymore.
Tyler, wait! I'm sorry, okay? I just miss how we used to be. You were a great friend and I want us to be close again. I do, I just don't know how to fix it. I'm sorry. And I know I can't just fix it, I know. I keep trying to, but
You can't fix something that's always been broken.
I know, but I still miss hanging out with you.
Cole, I lied. I do have the stop motion.
Wait, the alien one?
Yeah. Captain Cole and Terrific Tyler fight the alien Zorps.
That has got to be the dumbest name ever.
Yeah, well, you chose it. Could we watch it? Yeah.
Right.
Where should we take our amazing pirate ship? I'm Captain Cole. I'm the leader of this ship. Let's turn left and go to Treasure Island. And I'm Terrific Tyler. I have superpowers, and I want to go right to the Bermuda Triangle. Left, right. Zoom. What's that? Oh no, the alien Zorps are here! Take that, Zorp! Booyah! Tyler, help! I will beat them once and for all! We saved the day! You'll always be my best friend, Terrific Tyler. You too, Captain Cole.
Man, that was something.
Yeah.
Do you remember how proud we were of it? You did a great job.
Thank you, Captain Cole.
Hey, that's the ship we used.
Oh, you don't need to.
Why is it broken?
Yeah. I'm sorry about that. I was messing with it earlier and texting Stella, and it just.
Don't worry about it. You want to fix it though? Make it alien proof for the 6th time?
I would love to.
No, I think it needs an upgrade.
Oh my god, yeah. Excellent work, terrific Tyler. You know what? Yeah. Yeah, I'm doing it. Let's see. Alright.
Rebuilt and ready for the return of the Zorps.
You know, that's actually a pretty good name for a sequel.
What do you think?
I love. Hey, Stella, what's up? Oh, yeah. Time just flew by. I'm sorry about that. I'm so sorry, Stells, but I can't tonight. I'm gonna hang with Tyler for a little while. We're building this Lego thing. It's pretty cool. Can we celebrate tomorrow? Awesome. Thanks, Stells. Love you. Bye. Let's do this thing, huh?